Well, hi everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome. If you're new, welcome, welcome. And I hope that you stay and watch this video until the end. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, big shout out to y'all for stopping by and checking out another one of my videos. I appreciate you all for stopping by today. So if you're a returning viewer or a subscriber, you know that I have mentioned before that we've been here almost 2 years, and I've spent most of that time focusing on the lower level of this home, making it just that, a house to a home. So now I'm trying to focus on this upper level, and specifically my office. So I did an office makeover, and I would say it's inspired by African American arts and culture. Okay, so I try to, put my own creative expression on it. And, I did a couple of DIYs. One I had, and I did some videos on this, so you can go back and check them out. But one video I did, I took a piece of wall art that I had and kind of revamped that using some kente cloth. And then I had another larger piece of wall art, and I didn't want to repaint it or modify it permanently. So I decided, in case I just want to use it again, I was going to cover it with some kente cloth that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I'm just excited because I think it looks nice. I'm excited to know what you guys think of it. So I'm asking for you, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you would consider doing. Okay, so let's go back there and have a look. All right, guys, so this is it. So let me just start off with a little pan around. So I'm just going to come in and talk about some of the wall art that I have. Well, first of all, I had this wall art. This is Romare Bearden, and I had this wall art in my rec room or basement in my home in Maryland, and so I kept it and just brought it here. This is the wall art that I did a DIY on. This was a frame, and it had some other type of picture in it. And I thought to myself, well, why should I throw it out? Because I like the cream border. And so I thought I would kind of revamp it. And I got this kente cloth from Etsy. So I did a revamp on that, and that's how that turned out. Now this picture of this lady, oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Now I happen to be going into Ross looking for something else, and I saw her. I'm like, oh my goodness, she is coming home with me. This was a Ross find. It was only $39.99. You can find some really nice bargains in Ross. Then over here, I have this wall art that I really, really love, as well as this one over here. Those are really, really super nice, and I feel like they just complement the wall. Now, as for the wall was white like the rest of the walls, but I painted it, and I'm going to show that in part of this video. Just wanted to paint an accent wall, and this is Caviar Black by Sherwin-Williams. And it didn't take me any time to paint it. Maybe, what, 2.5 hours or whatever. But I wanted a dramatic wall, you know, and I thought that it would really bring out these you know, wall art pieces. But I really love the, you know, the dramatic flair that Caviar brings to the room. Now, as far as that mirror over there, I had that for some time. I had it in my last home in Maryland. That mirror is so heavy, I'm afraid to put it on the wall. So I just put it over there. And it's nice to have over there because I turn around sometime and, you know, look at myself and say, oh boy, do I want to go back to work? I'm retired. Do I really want to go back? And then I look over again and I said, nah, maybe not. Okay. Anyway, I like that wall art. Like I said, it was from Wayfair. And then I got these little boxes here, these decorative boxes. And I have, you know, pens and pencils and scissors and so forth in those. Or you can put your remotes in them. And then my kids gave me this little picture here, and I thought this was super cute. It says, "We love you, Mama." So I thought that was cute. So I just brought that in here. Now I do have one dilemma in this room, and that's I have a lot of cords back here for, you know, for my computer and so forth. So I have to figure out these cords. Now I have tried to wrap them, you know, to make them one, but they're, you know, at the top, they're all, you know, it's kind of hard to deal with that. And I wanted my desk to be faced this way because I just like my back against the wall. Now this desk, my husband was like, do you really want to bring that desk with us when we move to Texas? I'm like, oh yes, I want to bring this desk. I love this desk. Hey, look, it is nice and big. And we got this at an office furniture liquidation place in PG County. For those of you all who are in the DMV, y'all know where PG County is. It was right on 214. But anyway, I've had that desk for eons and I love it. I just love that desk. So, you know, it had to come with us. And then, you know, I have my babies in here. You know, my beautiful plants. And this one here is a recent find. This is a big leaf philodendron. I did a Target walkthrough. And I saw this vase and that vase was so pretty to me. So I picked that vase up. It's nice and big. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in it, but I put it there to kind of hide some of the cords on the bottom. And that plate over there, I've had that for quite some time. And here is my kente cloth. This cloth I picked up from Hobby Lobby, but I thought that was perfect for covering some wall art. In the event that I might want to use what's underneath again, you know, I'm not married to this, but I do like it. And this bookcase I've had for, you know, I had that in Maryland as well. I love the bookcase. I picked that up from IKEA. So that's you know, that's an oldie but goodie. You know, and then I just have some, you know, your certificates and degrees or whatever up at the top. So that's what's going on here, guys, in my office. So let's swing around here. Oh, let me talk about this. So I have my screensaver going on. Now, I'm also featuring this portable fireplace. This part of the fireplace was gray. And I just thought, you know, this was also in our basement in Maryland. And when I moved here, when I decided to do an office makeover, I'm like, oh, I don't like that color. So I painted that as well. So that, this part here still has, some brown, but this, instead of this being gray, now I've painted it black, and it just looks so much better compared to what it used to look like. Then I picked up a couple of, African fans. So I really kind of like the way this turned out. And these are some items that I have added to the wall as you come in to my office. So guys, that's it. That's my makeover for my office, my home office. I still have a few things to do. I was considering maybe should I put like a chair there, like a small swivel chair. I need to do something with those cords, but I just don't want to. I want to keep my desk faced in this direction, so I'm not sure all of what I can do with those cords. If you have any ideas, drop a comment in the comment box below. And I was thinking about putting some curtains there, because I have the curtain rod back in the corner over there, but I'm not sure. I kind of like the openness of it. I have them halfway closed now because I wanted, I didn't want too much natural light to come in, because you really can't see that well. But I was thinking if I just left it with the blinds, it lets in a nice amount of natural light. So look guys, I hope you like my home office makeover. If you do, please be so kind to give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.